welcome back to another video. And as you can see, there's stuff on the table because we are doing the wear it or drink it challenge. And if I get a 3, whoa, this is our good, guys. This is for real. What I was trying to say was, if you could pick a 3, you gotta grab the 3 and you gotta see if you wanna drink it or you wanna wear it. Also gonna be in blindfolded, so we can't see if it's gonna be a good or a bad. So guys, like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and please watch to the end. Stay tuned, everybody. Drinks. We have vanilla, we have the strawberry Hershey's, and we have the Coke, and we have the Sprite, everybody, and we have the Hershey white chocolate, and we have the black creamy chocolate favorite Hershey, and we have the Florida's natural, we have the Florida's natural, we have the Florida's natural squeeze from
natural.
Natural. Florida natural. And we have the fruit punch. And we have the V8 splash lemonade. And we have the mocha. And we have the mocha.
Mocha.
Mocha, I mean, check my neck. I never tried this before. And we have, to dip in the water, we have Diet Snapple, Crush, and Hawaiian Punch. You wanna give me? You wanna get punched by me? And AW for aww. Crush again, Crush, and he Crush because I crush him in this challenge. And the other crush because I have a crush in my school. And I have a Weiler because I have Weilers because I'm wild. So like and subscribe and see you when you start this challenge. And we are the M3. And as you guys didn't know, my dad is not here with us. It's just me, Austin, and Mars behind the camera. And see you in a little bit.
Alright, so let's get started. So, who's gonna go first?
Me.
Just stay there. Okay. Alright, let's see. So, you're gonna have to pick a number. Alright,
Okay.
just pick one number.
There.
Alright, let's see. So, what do you want to? You want to drink it or you want to wear it?
Drink it.
Drink it? Okay, so just stay there.
Oh, I got a bottle.
So this is our number, guys. That's our number. So we have to look for number, this one. All right.
Where is it?
So
Don't tell us the numbers, so it's a surprise.
no, I'm not gonna say the numbers. All right. So there you go.
I can't.
Dad,
I can't. Like, okay.
Yeah. Don't taste it. You gotta drink it. Okay? Huh? You like it? Okay. Wow. I guess we'll.
Not gonna tell us. I got next.
That's good.
You're the caboose.
So Marlon got that one.
Here's the light meter.
Yeah.
This is adorable.
No, I think it's good if we tell him what he drank. So what do you think that was?
I think that was oh my God,
What did it taste like?
I think it was a vanilla.
Okay, it was a vanilla. Okay, so here's your vanilla, guys, right there.
What is it?
That's what vanilla tastes like for him.
What is it?
and it's a lemonade.
Boy.
Okay, so is this Mars or Elston?
Smart.
Okay, so Mars. All right.
Okay. I think I'm gonna.
Okay, Kimi. What do you want to? You want to drink it or you want to wear it?
I'll drink it.
You drink it. Okay, so guys, that's our number. I guess it's right here. All right. So our number. Let's look for our number. Da, 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 da. Oh, so it's right here. Okay. All right. So that's here.
I can drink.
Uh huh.
What was that?
What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Or
beer.
strawberry or
Fruit punch.
Huh? Fruit punch?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So you got a Diet Snapple.
Ah, silly.
What flavor?
Huh?
What flavor?
Black and green tea.
What?
Oh, it's made of black and green tea, raspberry tea.
Oh,
Oh, I don't know why I said Diet Snapple without even saying the flavor, but yeah, that's the flavor right there.
okay.
Raspberry tea.
Thank you.
All right, Elston's turn. Remember, some of this stuff are really bad taste, so you gotta pick wisely whether you want to drink it or wear it. What do you want, Elston?
You wanna wear it or eat it?
You want to drink it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. All right.
Could you be quiet?
Bring it.
Right there.
Yeah, that was a good
Okay.
one. Good job.
What? It tastes good?
Mm.
You actually like that? Really? Oh wow.
What is it?
Okay. You good? You want to drink some more? Or you good? All
No,
right.
you just don't like it.
Put the cap on.
No.
Okay. So we're moving on to next round down. Just pick one.
Oh wait.
Yeah. That's two.
Oh.
You actually got three. Okay. Give it.
Huh?
So that's the number right there.
I wanna drink it.
You want to drink it?
Yes.
Okay.
I want. Okay, what's
All right. So that's.
No.
This is from Mars's one, the Diet Snapple. There's just a little bit in there, but I'm gonna try to mix it up with the Hawaiian. Let's see how it tastes like.
It's in my pocket, Austin.
So once again, guys, this is what he picked.
Oh.
Okay.
Stop.
All right.
What a Stop.
What?
I think I got two good ones.
Okay, nice.
I think it's fruit punch.
Yes, you got it right.
Yes!
Well, actually, yeah, it's Hawaiian Punch. So, but Hawaiian Punch with a little bit mixture of the Diet Snapple that Marson had. So it still tasted good, but
It's good
you know,
though.
yeah.
Oh, what was mine?
Well, yours, Elston. You had the what is it? What? Grapefruit. Is that what it's called? Original Ruby Red. Well, yeah. Grapefruit. Come on, go, Mars. He's cold. Okay. Let's see. So what number you got? Ooh. Okay. So that's his number. What do you want? You wanna drink it or you wanna wear it? Yeah.
Dude, I don't even. Nah, he's trying to make it seem bad. But he knows I'm gonna do. I'll wear it.
Wear it?
I know it's bad.
Okay. Alright.
It's very
So you're gonna wear it.
Wait, it's good? As you can see, I'm cheating. What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Stop!
Tell me, what is it?
I don't know what it is.
What is it?
Stay put. Come
Someone
on.
wants to do it too.
No!
Alright.
Stop!
Oh.
That's what he picked.
Oh.
Cheers, guys.
Whoa. Come on, okay, finish.
Now see if you can taste that.
I can't, it's cold. It's in my
See?
head. I can smell it. Oh! Is that Crush? Sprite! Oh my goodness!
Alright, let's move on. Alright, your turn, boy. Alright. So that's. Oh, okay. I see. Alright, that's what he picked. So that would be this one. Alright, Austin. What do you want to do? You want to wear it or you want to drink it? Which one probably, if it's just me, I would probably wear it.
He wants to eat it.
I want to drink it.
I would probably wear this because, I would probably taste this because it's really good.
He's eating it.
Drink it.
Huh?
Drink it.
Okay. Drink it.
I can smell that.
Drink
Drink,
it.
drink.
You're gonna drink it unless you change your mind.
Drink it.
Oh, wear it.
Huh?
Wear it.
Okay. Okay.
That's so like so.
That's Crush. I can smell that.
Guys, come on. See, it would have been nice if you drank it, but it's all right. Come on, Marson, your turn.
We made the same mistakes. Now it's Marcel's turn to get it back.
Yeah. Oh
Okay.
no.
All right, give it to me.
Oh man, I smell. I want to drink.
Huh?
I want to drink.
You want to drink?
You want
Yeah, I want to drink.
to drink?
Let's see. Okay. All right. So what? So what do you want? You wanna? I wanna wear it. You wanna wear it or you wanna drink it?
I want to drink it.
You sure?
You wanna wear it.
Okay.
No, you wanna eat it.
Oh, it tastes really good. I think it's gonna taste really good. Open your mouth. Yep. Tilt your head. Come on. Okay.
It's good. It's Hershey chocolate.
Oh, here's good, this boy. Oh, wow.
Can I drink some more?
No,
After.
no.
All right, your turn.
Can't wait to watch this. I want to watch
Okay.
I'm gonna drink this.
Ooh.
I know it's good.
Okay. This is what he picked. Alright.
I'll gonna get a bad one.
Open your mouth. Tilt your head.
What? That's good. That's coffee.
Mocha. Nope.
Coffee.
Alright. Okay. Okay, boy. Pick your number. Wait, let me shake it up a little bit. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay.
You my proof. We're drawing. Who did
Okay.
that?
Hey, Mom, remember what I said? Austin's getting a bad one.
Oh yeah. I can read the sentence. So,
You can read the sentence. What
hey,
sentence?
scanning,
Okay.
scanning, scanning.
Uh,
Ocean getting a bad drink. Don't want to wear it, right?
that's what he got. 50. Alright, so what do you want to do? You want to drink it or you want to wear it?
Drink it.
You sure?
Hmm?
Okay.
Wait.
Come on, make up your mind.
Drink it.
Drink it. Alright. What does it taste like? You want to drink somewhere a little bit? Yep. Got it? Good? Okay. Alright. Get over here. Are you warming up? Yeah. Oh, by the way, we are doing some cookout. Don't get too close now, okay? Alright. Come on.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'll take these. This one. Dad, this one.
Alright.
I want to drink.
Huh?
Hey, don't. You wanna wear it?
I want to drink.
Moss, come on. Do it. Do it for the fans.
No, because the last one's
Okay.
going to.
Okay, this is what he picked. Alright, let's see. What does it taste like?
I think it tastes like. Wait, one more time. What's that called? I think it's Florida
Natural.
natural. Natural.
Nope.
I didn't know it's Fruit Punch, the other one.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I kind of took
Donald
some on.
Duck.
Uh-huh.
Donald Duck.
Uh-huh.
Donald Duck. My bad.
Okay.
I'll call this. Dad, why
All right.
do you need to do all
All right,
of them now? Now Ocean's not part of this now?
Hey, he's just standing by the fire. 'Cause
Uh-huh.
it's cold.
Oh. Okay. Alright. So let's see. Alright. Ooh!
Oh,
Tastes good. That's really good.
Oh man, Dad, do I need it? What if it's
I'm
all
drinking it.
good?
Huh? Alright.
Stop before we take this off the
Okay.
camera.
Come on. Alright. Heads up.
Oh, you say heads up. That's why I get scared. What's that called?
This is another coffee,
Good.
but the first one was better.
Mocha. All right, we're back at it again. Come on. Okay. You wanted to show me the number? Oh, here. Number. Woo! All right. All right. So what do you want? You want to drink it or you want to wear it?
Drink it.
You want to drink it?
Uh-huh.
All right. Okay. This is what he picked. All right. What? What does it taste like?
Strawberry?
Strawberry. Okay. Yeah, you just had a milkshake, strawberry flavored. Hershey's. Yep. Good job. All right, there you go. Okay. Uh-huh.
No, for real.
Wait. Let's mix it up.
Huh? What do you want?
Where it?
I want to drink.
Huh?
Where?
I want to drink.
You want to drink it?
And then the next I'll wear it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ah.
All right.
Ah!
Oops. What?
You put!
What happened?
What happened?
You
What
don't
happened?
put it on me!
I thought you said you wanted to wear it.
No, I want to drink it. Give that.
What is it? What is that? Boss, what is that?
Coke.
Ew.
Nice.
I would wear Coke.
Okay. Your turn, boy.
Cheers.
Come on.
Be quiet.
Can you stop? Oh, here.
Huh?
Here, sir.
All right. I got it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
Appreciate it.
All right. So that's number 7. Once again, I mix it up with the fruit punch or whatever that is. All right.
Okay. I have decided. I gotta wear it. We're gonna wear it.
Oh man!
You're a dude.
I'm done.
Where are they?
Okay, it's the end of the video. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe because our giveaway is close. But we're gonna we're gonna say the name this weekend. So see you next time. Get subscribed, or you don't know what's happening. You come here. You gotta see Jennifer.
Please put your shirt back on.
Sorry.
What do you have to say?
Something.
Okay, then say it.
Subscribe. And please try this challenge because it's fun. And you know I already won. This guy is a
Boy?
loser. And my dad just did that on purpose. So I want to drink some cold. I bet you wanted to. See you next time. Peace.